You know the feeling. Monday morning, 5 tabs open before you had coffee, Snowflake, Airflow, GitHub, dbt, your dashboard, none of them talking to each other, and somehow you are the one making sense of all of it. Most AI tools promise to fix this. What do they actually do? They generate code, you still copy, you still paste, you still debug. The workflow doesn't change, the mental load doesn't move, all they did was autocomplete your suffering. But what if the AI didn't just write the code? What if it did the work? Altimate Code is not a SQL CoPilot. It's not a dbt helper. It's an agent harness. It connects your real systems, runs real tasks, verifies real outputs. You don't tell it how, you tell it what, and it executes until it's done. Now picture this inside your IDE, VS Code, cursor, one chat panel, build models, review SQL, refactor pipelines, write docs, no tab switching, no copy-paste loops. Just intent to outcome, and it's not just dbt. Snowflake, Databricks, BigQuery, Postgres, Airflow, Dagster, GitHub, Jira, validates queries live, tracks column level lineage as you build, flags cost issues before production. This isn't a copilot. It's an operator. The performance backs it up. #1 on ADE-Bench, real tasks, real dbt projects, real databases. Not a demo, a benchmark, and it beat tools running on more expensive models. Because the hardness matters more than the model. 10 million tokens, free, no credit card, no approval process, routes across Opus 4.6, Sonnet 4.6 and GPT 5.4 automatically. Already have API keys, bring your own key mode, supports 35 providers, always free, always unlimited. Everything runs locally, your schemas, queries, pipeline logic, none of it leaves your machine. Getting started takes one command, open the chat, type something real, refactor my staging model to be incremental. Why is this query costing 3 times what it should? Just describe what you want. Watch what happens. You didn't get into data engineering to babysit pipelines. You got into it to build things, to answer hard questions. The tab switching, the copy-paste loops, none of that is the work. That's the friction around the work. You were never the bottleneck, the tools were. Data engineering doesn't need more code. It needs less distance between what you want and what gets done. This is that.